So last week, shortly after Google's Pixel 3/Pixel 3 XL announcement, I actually got invited to join Team Pixel, which blew my mind because I never expected anything like this to happen, to get contacted to join Team Pixel. Like, it's an actual thing, Team Pixel. So fast forward to today, not even a week later, they sent me my phone. But I thought it was just gonna be the phone. They actually sent me, I'll show you, just 1 second. This entire box. This thing is huge. So I haven't opened it. I opened the box that it came in. I haven't opened anything inside it yet because I kind of wanted to be surprised, but also show it on camera. So I have no idea what color Pixel 3 it is. Anyway, I'm not sure what else is in here. I'm just thrilled. After Tuesday's announcement, I ended up ordering a Pixel 3 XL, and I ordered that in white. So I also seriously doubt it's gonna be the pink one. I'm not sure if they're giving those out, but hey man, like, a fucking Pixel 3. There's nothing else on the front of this box except for the Google logo and hashtag Team Pixel. Oh, what? Okay, so they gave me the charger. Oh shit. All right, so this is the Google Pixel stand. This is the wireless charger for the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL. It's a fast wireless charger. All right, I got a white one. So I'm gonna have a white Pixel 3 and I'm gonna have a white Pixel 3 XL. User guide for Team Pixel. Also got a case, a Google My Case. Looks like a little welcome card. And a Team Pixel bag. Oh, it's a fanny pack. Yes. All right, let's get into the phone. All right, so I'm gonna go through this unboxing fairly quick because there's already been a ton of unboxings, even though I have the phone early. But this is a Google Pixel 3 in clearly white, has the awesome mint green power/lock button, 5.5-inch display, 64 gigs of storage. Pull that, pull the other side, Team Pixel. Oh wow, okay, so it feels a lot different than the Pixel 2 that I had in white. And it's mostly because this has been changed to glass in the back to accommodate wireless charging. It is a nice one-handed size though. I'm looking forward to getting my Pixel 3 XL to see how both feel and compare to one another. All right, let's just quickly go through what's in here. Some ejector tool, earbuds, USB-C earbuds, since there's no more headphone jack, USB-C to USB-C cable, it's a USB-C to USB-A adapter, USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter/dongle, and the power brick. I do like the feel. It is surprisingly light, but it is a premium feeling phone. The one thing that I like about it a lot more than the Pixel 2 is the bezels have been slimmed down. I mean, there's still a forehead and a chin, but it is a lot less than it used to be. All right, we'll try out this case since I have it here. I'm not one to actually use, oh, what? Wait a minute. What? Are you serious? This is, as a Chicagoan, this is Flyboy. Okay, so wait a minute. Wow, wait. So if you're new to my channel, I am like a diehard Chicagoan. And one of my favorite things in the world is street art, graffiti art. I was just talking about this on my last vlog when I was in Toronto. So this artist is Hebrew Brantley, and this is his specific Flyboy like character, his art. This is his trademark. Oh my God, this is so awesome. This is so cool. This is a surprise. This is actually something I didn't expect. I mean, all of it is a surprise, but wow. Okay, the last thing I'll open up is the Google Pixel stand. I actually bought one of these too when I pre-ordered it because I wanted to see how well the fast charging worked for the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL. I guess I'll get to test that early. So the stand has that coral color underneath, like on my Coral Google Home Mini. Power brick, cable. Okay, so to quickly test it out, I do have the Pixel 3 with the case. Just gonna slap it on here. Oh, and it gives a little, again, one more time just to check it out. Great to know it works with the case. That was just a quick unboxing. Again, I wanted to thank Google, hashtag Team Pixel for the Pixel 3 and all the extra stuff that I didn't know that you guys were even sending. The fact that you guys took the time to know that I'm a Chicagoan that's into street art. I don't know, man. It's either that or it's just a weird coincidence, but fucking cool, man. Stay tuned for camera reviews because I'm gonna be on that. On Thursday, I'm getting my Pixel 3 XL, so I'm gonna do a little comparisons for both of the phones as well. That's it, man. I'm fucking pumped.